What is up, guys? It's your boy Joseph from Ka-moto. So I think this will be the third video of the day. So I'm going to upload it separately so that yeah, you know what to watch. Alright, so in this video I will tell you, is it okay to charge phones or other devices with our motorcycle even if it is not running? Okay, so the answer is yes, it is. Yes, you can charge your devices, but charge at your own risk. Charge at your own risk.
Bruh.
Okay, so in my opinion, just in my opinion, I am not expert at this, but in my opinion, since I experienced it, I didn't start the Mio Gear, the motorcycle. I didn't start it, but I charged my phone for more than an hour, and yeah, it is okay. However, do not let the battery got completely drained to the point that you can't see the light, like the you know when you turn on the motorcycle, the idling light, yeah. So do not let the light to go off, or do not let the battery get completely drained, because your motorcycle will malfunction. The check engine light will turn on.
No! God, please, no! No!
So in my opinion, you can charge your phone or other devices for about, maybe just to be safe, around 40 minutes. 40 minutes, yeah. But charge at your own risk, as I said. Check the lights if it's still okay, because once the battery got drained, you'll have a problem. The check engine light will turn on.
What's wrong with you, bro? What the heck? You tripping, bro? You tripping?
Yeah, so that's what happened to me. So I hope this video helped, and yeah, please like and subscribe for more updates. And if you do have any questions, feel free to comment in the comment section, and I'll try to answer it if I know the answer. But if I don't know, maybe I'll just ignore it, or I'll just react to it. Yeah, then I am no expert with this. It's just based on my experience. So once again, thank you for thank you for watching the video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so that you can get more updates, see more updates in the future. So yeah, ride safe, guys. Bye bye.
Welcome to Ka-moto. Please like and subscribe.